हेलो। तो आज हम फर्स्ट लैब अपनी EC2 इंस्टेंस की विंडो सर्वर क्रिएट करेंगे। और क्रिएट करने के बाद लॉगिन करेंगे। देन उसमें वेब सर्वर को इंस्टॉल करेंगे। देन इंडेक्स या HTML पेज क्रिएट करके हम टेस्टिंग भी करेंगे कि वेब सर्वर पे जो हमने पेज बनाया वो काम कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा प्रॉपरली। और आफ्टर दैट हमें इसमें एक्स्ट्रा स्टोरेज भी ऐड करना है विंडो के ऊपर। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं लैब को। रेस्ट स्टार्ट। तो आप देख सकते हैं इधर EC2 डैशबोर्ड। यदि आपके इंस्टेंस रनिंग में है, आपके सर्वर्स आपके EC2, देन यू कैन सी हेयर EC2 इंस्टेंस रनिंग। यदि आपने वॉल्यूम एक्स्ट्रा स्टोरेज ऐड किया है और आपने EC2 को टर्मिनेट करने के बाद भी आपको रिफ्रेश करने के बाद या कोई वॉल्यूम दिख रहा है तो आप उसको डिलीट करना होगा, नहीं तो एक्स्ट्रा आपको चार्जेस लगेंगे AWS की तरफ से। कीपेयर एंड सिक्योरिटी ग्रुप का आपको कोई चार्जेस नहीं है। वेट वेट वेट, एरर occurred, why this one happening? Mumbai region today not working properly, so I will try to another region. So Mumbai today not working properly, so I change my region Singapore. So we start EC2 instance window creating. So you can go here, click here, running, then go to launch instance. This one new console. If you want to old experience, then you can click here and go to there. But that one going out. So use this one better. Name and tags. So if you want Windows Server, then give name here Window EC2 instance, or maybe another name you can put here. Then we want operating system. So we call this one here Amazon machine image. So if you want Linux, then you click here Linux. If you want Apple Mac operating system, then you click here. If you want Windows, then click here. So we are going to do today window. So click here. Then you can see here which one window you want. 2019 means window 10. If you want 2019 with the container, then you select here. But we want basic window only. Only window we want. No additional software we have to require till now only. So you can take this one 2019 base window. This one operating system we selected. Then we need instance type. So what we get here in instance type? T2 micro, you can see here one virtual CPU, 1 GB memory. On demand Linux pricing 0.0146 USD, and window you can see here price. So if you want bigger instance type, then you go drop down and see how many, but not free. So you can select only free tier. So T2 micro is free tier eligible. So select this one. Then key pair. Key pair means if you want to, after launching your EC2 window instance, you have to log in window. Then you required one password. This one key pair. So if you have old one already you created, then you can select here. If you don't have, then you go here, create new key pair and give some name, any name you can give. So window key 2, and then format is PEM file, create key pair. This one downloaded here. So you need after launching this EC2 instance. Then network setting, head it here. Now we don't have any VPC, so default VPC only. But when we study this topic VPC virtual private key, then we select here our customized VPC, not default VPC. Till now we are going to do lab on default VPC only. Subnet, no preference. So if you not giving any preference, then your EC2 instance launching in maybe any region, any availability zone, any data center. Maybe it's launching 1A, maybe launching 1C, maybe launching 1B. So if you're not giving preference, then all availability zone AWS can launch 1A, 1B, 1C. Any one availability zone, your EC2 instance will be launched. But if you giving preference 1A, then it's launched in 1A only. So this one you can select here. Auto sign IP enable. If you going to log in this server, then you have to put it enable only. If you want private server, don't want login, then you can disable it. So remember this one. Security group. Security group means whatever rule you give, what incoming traffic you allow, outgoing traffic allow on your servers, then will selected here only. So if you have select existing already, you created security group, then you can see here. But we have one security group, but I want to create new one. Then give name here properly. Window security group Singapore. Then we need RDP for window to login server. If you're not giving this rule, if you want to remove, then your server not going to login. So give RDP. Or after that you want to access internet. You want access internet, then you have to add another security group rule. Add security group rule. Then you select which one? HTTP. And this one custom anywhere you can select here. Okay, then storage. Now we have 30 GB EBS root volume. Inside selected root volume means you understand. This one attached inside your instance. If I'm adding here new volume, this one outside, not inside. EBS volume, network attached storage. So you can add here also when you launching your EC2 instance. After launching, then also you can add EBS volume and attach to your server. Then this one we will do later. So you remove here this one. And then you create your launch your instance. Okay, then you go to here, view all instance. It will take 4 to 5 minutes. You have to wait till now, till status check 2 by 2. If here 1 by 2, then also your server may be any issue, network issue or maybe hardware issue, anything can happen. So wait 2 by 2 status check. Still it's pending. Now it's running. So still 2 by not 2 by 2. Wait few more minutes. Still we have to wait. So now still it's not 2 by 2. Okay, 2 by 2 status check passed. So next step, now we log in this one, Windows Server. Then you can select, go to connect, then go to RDP client, then take password first. So get password, click here. Then you can see here, key pair associated with this instance. If you forget which one I use or which one we downloaded, which one we created new one. So if you can not see here this one, then you check here which one key associated with your server. Window key 2, this one. Then you browse here and downloading, check window key 2, this one. Open. Okay, decrypt password. This one decrypted. Then copy this password and download this one, remote desktop file, RDP file. Okay, then double click or maybe click here, then go to open and open it. Okay, open it. Connect here. Password you have already here. Copy this one and select here. Control V. Then OK. Asking. So don't select no. Select yes only. This one your window instance. So we created window EC2 instance, then we log in. Now we have to install web server. So next step, web server installation. Wait 1 minute. I will refresh it. Okay. You can see details here, host name, instance ID, public IP, this one, private IP, instance size, you selected T2 micro, if you selected R5 or maybe C series or maybe another one, so you can see here. Total memory you will got here 1024 MB means 1 GB only. Okay, network performance low to moderate, it's detail only, your servers. So web server steps, go to start button, then go to here server manager. This top up you process a little bit wait. You can see here one line, so it's ready to work. A little bit wait. You can see here. Now you try this one, add roles and features. Okay, click, then go to next. Already selected role base and feature base. Next, select a server from the server pool. We are selecting from here only. Then go to next. You have to install web server. Then select web server and add features. Then go to next, 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 install. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes. So we have to wait 3 minutes. Or you can see it installing now. So after installation in C drive, you can see in inetpub folder. But before installing, you can't see here inetpub folder. I will show you. This PC go C drive. You can see here. You can't see inetpub folder. After web server installation, you will see here one folder, new folder inetpub. Before installing, you can't see. So now you don't know which one inetpub. Now it came. So its installation may be over or maybe running. So it's folder already created here. You can check here. Okay. Yeah, already half hour. Wait 1 minute. Okay. Installed. So close. Then you close this tab also. Now you go to file explorer. Check here one folder you will get inetpub. Click here. Then go to www root. Then you see already something installed HTML document. But we want to create our page. So you click, right click, then select new, then go to text document and don't change name here. Open it, double click. And if whatever you want, write here. Then I want to write hello world. Then save it. Save as index.html. then close it, and you can see one index page already created. So if you want to test whatever you written in this, it's showing through IP. So minimize this server, select, go to here, new tab, and then we want IP, server IP, EC2 instance. So cancel this one, select your server. So this one now minimize. So click open it, public IP you will get here, and go copy paste here tab, and you can see your page already running. Hello world. If you want more pages, then you create more pages. Go to your server. This one document already open. Write something like this one. Our first EC2 lab. Our first EC2 lab. Okay. Then save it. Then you can give another name also. EC2 dot html. You have to write dot html. Any name you can give. EC2 dot html. Okay. Save it. Then you see another page already created, EC2. Now you want to check index.html is showing by default through IP. If you want another page, then you have to give path here, then slash ec2.html. So provide path, then you can see enter, and you can see this one our first EC2 lab. So like that you can create more pages here, and you can check your web server. Okay. Then next step, we have to add extra storage for work. You can see here we don't have any storage. This only operating system C drive only. We want D drive, maybe E drive, maybe more than F drive. So how we add more storage on running Windows EC2 instance? So minimize this one. You can see here your server running. So this one, this side, left side, scroll down, scroll down. You can see volume. Click here. Don't confuse. This volume already attached to server you have created. We are working on that in use. Volume state you can check use. Attach instance ID you can see, and name also. If you expand this one, you can see name also server. Windows EC2 server instance. So don't confuse how it came here already. So you created one server. So already 30 GB attached. This one it's showing in use. We want more storage. So you can have to create volume. Which one you want, you can select. GP2, GP3, IO1, IO2, cold HDD. Already we discussed GP2 and GP3. You can start with minimum 1 GB. I1 and IO2 you can start with minimum 4 GB. Cold HDD and throughputs you can start with 125 GB minimum. So you can use anyone. I am going to use GP2 and not 100 GB. I don't want 100 GB. I have to show you only demo class. So I am using over here only 5 GB. Availability zone is most important. You have to select same availability zone where your server, where your EC2 instance running. I already created my EC2 instance in 1A. So I have to create this one storage, EBS volume storage on 1A only. If I am going to select 1B, then it not connected, because you already we discussed EBS volume specific for availability zone. Only same data center it will going to connect. So you have to take care about this properly. So I'm going to select my same 1A, my server also running in 1A, and my EBS volume also I'm going to create in 1A. Okay. Snapshot ID, I'm not going to create volume from snapshot ID. Create volume. You can see already 30 GB used. Now 5 GB you created. Once refresh, and if you see it's available, not connected with any server, any EC2 instance not connected. If you connect this one, then you can see this type of ID attached instance. Now it's created already in your account, but not attached with any server. If you attach, then you can see here instance ID. So we have to attach this one. So select, go to action, attach volume, use this one. Then select your server. So you click here, whatever servers running, see here, and which one you going to attach, select that one only. I have only one now. If you have more than one, then you have to take care which one you going to attach. So select this one running. Okay, device name you can see here written XVDF to P. Now it's DF, then next one G, then next one H, G, H, like that. It's going to till now P. Attach volume. Okay, refresh it. Verify it already attached or not. Now you can see status in use. And another one you see here, ID also EC2 instance. This 5 GB attached with Windows EC2 instance, this one ID. So we attach, then you go to your server and check here it's showing or not. This PC, you can see we attach this one not showing. So you have to live this one online and initialize, and you have to create one partition. See, maybe D drive, maybe E drive. So whatever we steps see here. Start button, server manager. This one top up you cross. Then go to tools. This one right side, tools. Then computer management. Then okay, disk management. You can see one already C drive location also online also, but you can see we added only 5 GB. That one offline. So right click here and online it. If it's online but not in slides, you have to select MBR or GPT. Then you right click here, initialize disk. So you ask MBR or GPT. So you select MBR. Okay. Yeah, it's online also and initialize also, but not given any location, unallocated. So click, right click here and you create new simple volume. Next, if you want full 5 GB, then you can select this one. If you want half, then you select here like that. I'm going to use 2500 MB, means nearly 2.5 GB. So you select this one. You want to create D drive. Okay, next, finish. So you can see 2.44 GB you already live and you given one location D drive, but 2.5 GB you have unlocated. Still you can make new partition like E drive or maybe F drive. So you want this one also, then you create new simple volume, then use one. Okay, next E drive you give name, then next finish. So now you created within 5 GB you created two partition you did, D drive and F drive, E drive, and this one you can see here also. Now file explorer, close this one and this PC. Now you can see D drive and E drive. So you can do more partition also, no problem. So like that you have to do lab. How to add extra storage also. Then you want to stop your server. Then go here, shut down. You can select. If you select did shut down, then your EC2 instance stop there also. Where? Here also. Instance, you can go here, instance. This one also stop. If you shut down here. Okay, I will show you. Stop, shut down. Continue. It will stop. Then now also it's, you can see here also. It will also stop. See, stopping. So if you select their shutdown, then it will stop here also. If you select disconnect, above option you can see there is disconnect also there. So it will not shut down, continuously running. So it will stop down. So I stopped. So I don't want stop. I want to terminate. So select and go to EC2 instance state, terminate instance. Okay. It's terminated. Then you have to go to dashboard, EC2 dashboard, and refresh this page. If anything running, your volume also, extra volume also running, maybe server also running, you can see here. Refresh it. So you can see one volume. Go to here, click here volume and refresh. Before going to delete, you have to refresh every time. Now you can see 30 GB already terminated. Why? Because this one attached to server inside there. So it already, if we deleted that server, so it's already deleted. But this one we added extra volume. So you have to delete this one. Select action, delete volume. Okay. Again, you have to check EC2 dashboard, anything running or not. Now you can see no volume, no snapshot, no elastic IP, no server running, nothing dedicated host. So you don't have instance here is showing, means yeah, stop and or maybe terminated. So don't worry. Security group, you don't have any charges. Keep here, you don't have any charges. Volume, snapshot, elastic IP, dedicated host, and instance running. You have to take care about this. So you have to refresh this one dashboard also after terminating or after maybe going to log out your account. First you see this one, if any server running or not. Maybe extra volume you added, this one showing here. Snapshot you created, that one is showing here. Okay. So we, whatever we did, you can tell me. We did one EC2 window, EC2 instance we created, then we log in, then we install web server, then we created index.html page or maybe another page, then we tested with public IP. After that we attach extra storage 5 GB, then check there. If not getting storage, then you have to online and live your storage. You can do any partition, D drive, maybe A drive, like that. So that's all for today. Okay, thank you.